We are Friday the 13th, 2020, and this is what we got. Duterte suspends land, air, sea travel to and from Manila. President Rodrigo Duterte has suspended all travel, flight, boat trips and road trips to and from Metro Manila from March 15 to April 14, 2020 as a precaution against the coronavirus disease 2019. Passengers from countries who are affected by the COVID-19 are not allowed to enter the Philippines except for Filipino citizens. Metro Manila to be placed on lockdown due to COVID-19. Metro Manila, CNN Philippines, March 12. Travel restrictions will be put in place in Metro Manila after health authorities raised the highest COVID-19 alert level, President Rodrigo Duterte announced Thursday. Over 12 million people living in Metro Manila would not be allowed in and out of the country's economic and political center by land, local air travel and local sea travel from midnight of March 15 until April 14 as the region is placed under community quarantine. We don't want to use the word lockdown, because you're afraid of it, but it is a lockdown. Let's see what Rappler has to say. Manila, Philippines. The Philippines will enforce a ban on travelers from countries with confirmed localized transmissions of the novel coronavirus, except for Filipino citizens and their dependents, foreigners who are permanent residents of the Philippines and holders of Philippine diplomatic visa. President Rodrigo Duterte announced this on Thursday evening, March 12, based on a recommendation from the Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Diseases to virtually ban foreigners from countries with local epidemics of the coronavirus. This came as Duterte raised code red sublevel 2 over Metro Manila, placing it on community quarantine or lockdown after localized transmissions of the virus spiked in recent days. Duterte said he would issue an executive order to formalize the directive. The government has already enforced a similar ban on China, Chinese Special Administrative Regions Hong Kong and Macau, and South Korea. According to the World Health Organization, countries with confirmed locally transmitted cases of the coronavirus as of Tuesday, March 10 are, and then there is a whole list of them, and virtually all countries that you could think of are in this list. So we have Western Pacific region, China, South Korea, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, Philippines, South Asia region, Thailand, India, Indonesia, Maldives, Bangladesh, Eastern Mediterranean region, Iran, Bahrain, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, Lebanon, Pakistan, occupied Palestinian territory, region of the Americas, United States, Canada, Brazil, Ecuador, Chile, Costa Rica, Peru, and the African region we have Algeria and Cameroon. As of Thursday, the Philippines has recorded 52 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. Now another update here from Philippine Star. Naya, the international airport in Manila, will remain open for international flights, but inbound and outbound passengers will have to be coming from and going to stay in Metro Manila. Those who need to go to the provinces must fly via Clark International Airport and other airports outside Metro Manila. Honestly, I don't really know what to think about this. I think the best thing is just to stay away. We're all diving here in Panglao, the capital of freediving in the state of the province of Bohol. We have breaking news about this as well. Bohol Governor Arthur Yap implements community quarantine in the province of Bohol from March 16 to 20. Now that's only 4 or 5 days, but this can be just the beginning, you know. We don't really know what's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. This might just be the start. Visitors outside Bohol will be restricted to enter the province during the scheduled period of the community quarantine. Community quarantine to start on midnight on Monday, March 16 until Friday, March 20. Let's hope it will be only those 4 or 5 days. We will not be accepting visitors from outside Bohol from Monday to Friday. Now let's take a look at the Bohol Chronicle. Breaking: Yap places Bohol under community quarantine. Governor Arthur Yap on Friday announced that he will be placing the entire province of Bohol under community quarantine next week for authorities to seriously prepare measures against the coronavirus disease COVID-19 as the country grapples with the growing threat of the pandemic. Yap will issue an executive order barring any person from entering the province by air and sea from midnight on March 16 until March 20, making Bohol the first province to impose such measure as part of efforts to contain the spread of the dreaded disease, which has left 5 people dead in the country and hundreds more worldwide. The governor clarified that he is not ordering a lockdown. Those inside the province of Bohol are allowed to leave even within the quarantine period, while residents may freely leave their homes and go to work and school. A lockdown means nobody goes in and nobody goes out, he says. Under community quarantine, those who want to leave are allowed to leave. And here it is, the community quarantine may be extended after March 20 depending on the evaluation of the provincial government. There's also good news. There are currently no confirmed COVID cases in Bohol, although there are 2 individuals who are considered as persons under investigation for the disease. If you have any questions about all of this, unfortunately I will not be able to answer them because we don't really know what is happening. We will only know in a couple of weeks, then the situation will be more clear. Let's just hope for the best. If you are planning a trip to Panglao or to the Philippines, you might just want to postpone it because you don't really know if you're going to get in, and if you're going to get in, if you're going to get out again. We just don't know. Let's just hope for the best.